Alright guys, so this video is going to be about my hair. I've been wearing this hair now for a couple of days, so I'm just giving you my little preliminary experiences with the hair. It's from Celie Hair on AliExpress. This is an AliExpress hair. This is unprocessed virgin hair. Now I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna do some research and I'm gonna let y'all know what that means, because it didn't say raw hair, I didn't say virgin hair. It says it says unprocessed human hair. So I don't know what that means, honey. But let me tell you, this is their Malaysian straight, 28 inches, 28, 26, 24, and the 20-inch closure. Let me tell you this. This hair is very reminiscent of some expensive hair, if you know what I mean. Like, this hair is giving me all sorts of life, honey. I mean, this hair is absolutely amazing. It's flawless. The closure is gorgeous. I love how it flows. I'm gonna know, like, do you even Malaysian? So I was contacted by Celie Hair and I was like, yeah, sure, and I'll do a review, because you guys know how I feel about Annabelle hair. Ali Annabelle on AliExpress. I love Ali Annabelle, and I've been working with them, and I'm not knocking Ali Annabelle. I'm just saying Celie Hair is among the best I've tested. This Malaysian texture is among the best I've tested. It does not tangle easily. The first time I wore this hair, I did not even flat iron it. I just made the wig. Oh, it's a wig, by the way. I just made the wig. I'm sorry I keep on moving the hair to my face because the fan is on and it's blowing the hair back into my face. This is a wig that I made, and this, I just put the wig on and brush it out and it was straight. So this bone straightedness that you're seeing, I did flat iron it for this video, just for it to add just to add a little bit of luxury, but I really did not have to flat iron. I've been working out in this hair. I made this wig really nice and tight, and I love it. I love how tight I've made it. I can really work out in it, and I do jogs. Like, I jog on the treadmill for about 5 minutes, and I do all my heavy lifting in this hair, and it gets really sweaty. And when it gets sweaty, it gets gunky and tangled. I just tie my hair, plait my hair to the side. And when I pull it out and brush it out, it has a little bit of a crimp, but it just looks really nice. This hair is top grade. Now this is just an initial review, so I won't go too long in this video. This is just an initial review, but I'm saying right here and now, I am completely in love with this hair. The length and the texture, it is giving me like some Amazonian type of thing. Like, this is giving me, this is it. I love it, love it, love it. This is some wedding hair. This is some bride hair. Like, this is the hair that you spend your money on. You know what I mean? Is this hair that you invest in? It's not nothing that you want to just go over there and just go over. No. This is something that's for an occasion. Like your anniversary dinner, your engagement party that you don't know about. But as women, we know everything. This is that type of hair. This is hair that you buy for a special occasion. This is this type of hair. Now again, I can only speak to the Malaysian straight and the bundles I'm wearing. And if this is an example of everything that Celie Hair has to offer, you need to spend them coins, bubble. I want to quickly say thank you so much. Thank you so much for the love and appreciation that you guys have showed on my airing my dirty laundry video. Today is the 5th of August. That video went live on the 4th, which was yesterday, but you're seeing this now on the 14th or the 15th, and I'm completely grateful to you. I was a little bit hesitant in just sharing everything, but you guys accepted me with open arms, and that's so romantic. And I love you guys so much, and I thank you for allowing me to be me and to be authentic and to be genuine. Back to Celie Hair. The hair is bomb, but this is just my initial review. Wait, before you buy, wait again for my next review on this hair. Let me tell you how it has been going. But I'm telling you, Jamaica is hot, and it's making me hot. I walk around with like fans and like napkins to pat my face, because I'm like, oh my gosh, this hair is like the bane of my existence lengthwise, and because of the heat, I'm like, oh gosh, I wish I had asked for like some shorter lengths. But this hair is giving me everything. There's nothing in the hair. Look at the nice luster it has. Luster meaning like how it shines. See that? It looks healthy. And I'm using my ring light. It looks really oh Papito, you drop. Get up, Papa, it's okay. So yeah, I love it. Where are the wipes? And I love how, what wipes? In here. So that's it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Again, guys, just wait for my other video about the hair. Let you guys know how it's been acting up out here in Jamaica in this heat. and this humidity. So just wait for that. But Celie Hair, thank you so much for sending me here to review. It is magnifique so far. Let me see how it acts for the next couple of weeks, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys, and thanks again to Celie Hair on IG and AliExpress. Ain't bad. Malaysian straight. Yeah, do you even Malaysian?